Welcome to the Solid Structures Buildertrend portal. This video is going to tell you how to make a payment online for your proposal. When your proposal has been released by your outdoor living guide, your email will look very much like this image. Click View Details, review your proposal, read all contractual information, and then you can make the decision to approve or decline the proposal. If you approve, you have to confirm that the action represents your electronic signature, and this choice is binding. You will then be given the option to pay with an e-check, and then you will go to choose your bank account. This is going to show you all the different options for your bank. The phone number is optional. If you don't see your bank here, you can type it in right up here. And you're going to be asked to log in with your username and password that you use right now to manage any banking. It will then go directly into your bank. You will pick the amount that you wish to pay, and that payment will be sent to Solid Structures instantaneously. If you choose to manually enter your account information, you are going to be put into a system called WePay. Payment methods must be verified in order to transact. When entering your bank account and routing information manually, micro deposits are required to verify your account. After entering the routing information, 2 small deposits will be posted into your bank account, and an email will be sent to you for you to complete. Inside the email, you'll be asked to enter the exact deposit amount into a form. Could be anywhere from 2 cents to 10 cents. This process is known as microdeposit verification. Verifying the microdeposit is an industry norm when using an online payment system. However, this process is slow and relies on waiting for the deposits to post in the account before your actual payment can be sent to Solid Structures. With Plaid, there is no microdeposit verification. We do recommend the use of Plaid directly through your bank account. If you have any questions, please call 1-888-415-7149 for Buildertrend support, or call Solid Structures at 757-359-9172. Thank you.